Alright, so you're searching for your channel, but it's not showing up in the search results. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize this so that when you search for your channel name, it will actually show up in the first few results, just like my channel right here. Alright, let's get into it right away. So tip number one is to go into your YouTube studio, click on settings in the bottom left corner, then click on channel, click on basic info, which it should do automatically. And then right there you'll find keywords. So these are keywords that define your channel. So what I recommend doing is adding your channel name as the first keyword in this list. You can add other ones if you want to, but I definitely recommend adding your channel name as the first keyword that describes your channel, just like I did over here. This will help you rank on the YouTube search page when people search for your channel name. Tip number two is adding your channel name as a tag on every single video you upload. This will definitely help in the SEO as well, and this will definitely help for your videos to show up right here on the latest from How to Digital. If people then search for your channel name, they'll automatically see your most recent videos show up in the first place. So this is my most recent video, this is my second most recent video, and this will continue like that. If you want to check if your channel is showing up when people search for your channel name, I recommend doing it in an incognito window, in a private window, instead of on your normal YouTube account. Because if you're signed in on your own account, you're going to show up. But if you're in a private window, it's not going to be based on your account, like being signed in or previous activity. So I definitely recommend doing that. If you just want to find your channel, if it's not showing up, you can click on filter. You can then filter it by channel. So type right there and then channel, and you'll then find all the channels with that name, and you should then be able to find it. But what I recommend doing, as you can see right there, also including it in your channel about page. So right there, welcome to How to Digital. Once again, my name is showing up right there. So what I recommend doing is going to your channel, then click on about, and then make sure to use your name in here as well. You just want to give YouTube all the data they need to make sure that your channel shows up in search when people actually search for that. Now, if you have a competitive keyword or like search term as your channel name, for example, if you would have Mr. Beast as your own channel name, or like a famous, like a well-known person, or like an often used word, you're not going to show up. That's probably not going to work. If it's an original name, you should show up by using these tips. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can fix this. If this quick video helps you out, leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.